The results are in. My merch is wonderful. This is the Moisture Wicking t-shirt in the blue colour. It says, "Practice makes better." That's my own little phrase I put there, the flamenco coach. I've been wearing this little t-shirt this week and I washed it a couple of times and it's still come out like brand new, which I really like. So all the writing still looks excellent and it hasn't lost the shape, because sometimes, I don't know about you, but if you buy a t-shirt or a sweatshirt and you wash it and it comes out all wonky from the wash, I hate that. This one doesn't do that. It's stayed exactly in shape and yeah, it's really nice and light to wear. And the sizing is really good. I got a size medium, which is what I would normally buy here in Australia. So I suppose it's a tad on the smaller side. It's not like extra roomy or anything. So if you like a little bit of extra room, maybe go up a size. But if you're looking for just a good fit, I found this one a good fit for the medium for me. And I'm just going to now try on the next shirt and show you that one. This one is the premium organic t-shirt in the pink colour with the pink writing that says flamenco, not just a hobby, it's a lifestyle. Another phrase I put together. And this one also comes in different colours, and I've also got the text in different colours as well, so you can choose from black, white, this pink, or my blue colour as well. So you can mix and match however you like. You can do maybe a white t-shirt with the blue writing or the black writing or whatever you like. So it is fun to mix and match. This one I like. Again, I've worn it a few times. I've worn it out and about and it feels very soft. So I like it a lot. Again, it's another medium size and it fits me perfectly. So I do like that. I've washed it a couple of times and again, it's come out all straight and in shape. So the writing has stayed. I love it. I will now put on the next shirt. Now this one is my favourite because it's a singlet and we're in the height of summer here and I prefer singlets over t-shirts anyway because I just get too hot. This one is the Flowy singlet and it has a little racer back style, so it goes really nicely over leotards or just wearing to your flamenco class. I've got this one saying "Practice makes better." Again, my own little phrase, the flamenco coach, that's me. And again, you can get different colours and I've done the text in different colours too, so you can mix and match however you like. So this is a definite favourite of mine. I've washed it and worn it a few times and it's still in perfect shape and I just love how soft it is. It's nice and fitting at the top, which I like, and then it is flowy at the bottom, so it gives you a bit of room over your skirt or over your shorts or whatever you're wearing. So yes, this is my favourite so far. Now I'm going to go try on the jumper. Okay, I haven't actually worn this yet because we are in summer, but I have washed it just to make sure it came out nice and straight afterwards and the writing still looks nice, which it does, so thumbs up for that. I love wearing sweatshirts like this in winter, so I'm going to enjoy wearing this one in winter. Again, it's very nice, comfortable, soft feel. I did purchase the size small in this because when I looked at the measurements on the website and I measured against one of my other sweatshirts, I thought that would be a better fit, and it is. So this is the small size for me, as opposed to the medium t-shirts and the medium singlet that I have purchased. So yes, I can't wait to wear this in winter a bit more often and I'm going to love it. I love the navy blue. Again, there are different colours on the website that you can choose from: black, white, I think some grey, and I've done the text in different colours so you can mix and match however you like. I hope you enjoyed this little show and tell of my new flamenco merch. I'm going to be creating new designs every now and then and putting them up, and I'll let you know all about it. And whenever we have some specials or something in Spreadshop, which is where the merch comes from, I upload the designs. Spreadshop are the ones who put all the outfits together and send them out to you, so they do little specials and sales from time to time and I will let you know. So thank you for having a look at all of my merch and I can't wait to see you all wearing it as well.